Hey, I'm Fish. Well, how do I get to the help desk and ask them? And many people out there already got this camera, thousands upon thousands. And when they changed the mode of video to photo or to time lapse, and they just look the other way for a second, that thing's already like that, quickly changed. You don't have enough time to choose what you want. What's important to you? Alphabetical order? Things just not in order? Why is slow motion the first, and then low light, and then video? Why is it in that order? Extra, extra. Why can't it be photo first, video second, low light third? And then you could put photo, panoramic photo, slow motion, and time lapse. Nobody wants to know what's right or wrong. And like said, why when we hit the change mode, it's set to a second and not off manually, or have the option to have it off and give us 3 seconds versus a split second. I'm trying to think of a camera I have that if I long press on the screen, not GoPro, and I'm able to adjust the EV value. And I can't remember if it was an action camera or the Sony ZV-1F. It's one of those cameras, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. I apologize. My screen was like 97% brightness. Maybe that was my problem. Dark up there, it's overcast, cloudy. And normally I saw the moon behind me. It's like an eighth or so. And yeah, I just don't get it sometimes. I try to figure out my cameras. That's what I'm saying. I got in the hand the extra Atto. And I still got it in the case. I used it once. I got the K&F Concept anamorphic filter. Don't have it on. I think I just happy using the camera as is, but at least I have it. So when I need to get that wide shot in the bathroom, I got it. So I was like an hour late answering, and I can't be up 24/7 and waiting to answer. And I got something that hopefully that the person will do their job and send it. And you may want to stay tuned to the channel for that review. And it's something pretty good that I'll be shocked if I get it from this client. Oh man, fingers crossed, Fish. I'll get the answer. Okay. I also, something like this, and I'm not sure if diopters are offered with them, because if so, man, it'd be something awesome. Hey, the other vlog we talked about a bike. Want a bike? It's just missing the seat now. Man, I guess they outgrew that bike and they just leave it there for somebody to collect. Oh man, playground becomes a dumping ground. Teenage wasteland. Yeah, wasted. Out here in the fields, I fight for my meals. That's the song I like, man. You too? The Who. I don't think it was The Who. I think it was U2. It was The Who. Man, I'm getting outdated. Oh, I'll finish it off while still playing in my mind. Don't cry, don't give a reason why. It's only teenage wasteland. Oh yeah, man, I better stop. Well, Extra Muse, awesome camera. I'm sure you're waiting for that second generation one that's coming out by DJI. Oh, no, it's not second generation, it's the fourth generation. It's the Pocket 4. You probably got one, and you thought the Pocket 3 was great. Having internal memory, but yet no external memory, that's what somebody thought. I don't think they're gonna leave you with a choice of internal memory and charge you an arm and leg. Not gonna be $20. So imagine the camera costs $459 with 64 gig of internal only memory. And the next one is $479, let's say, for 128. And let's say $529 for 256. No external memory. Would you get a 128? I think you probably go for the 512, the highest price of them all, if that was the price. I got no use for 6K. I know YouTube don't do 6K. It's got trouble when you try to do 8K. It don't guarantee that load. I loaded up in 8K. I doubt it's 8K. It'd probably still be lingering in 4K. So I'm happy just with what I got. Can you switch on over to the extra Atto and do us one favor? Shut the mic off to see if we got any separation or interference, so that way it continues to record in sound. Oh, we can do that, and there we went. We shut it off, and let's get on out of the pocket. Let's see if I could do it, but I gotta format what's on here and see what happens when we turn the camera on. It takes a few seconds. It's on Vision Dock looking, and man, it's taking time to go on, and we hit it 79%. We swipe down, swipe over, hit the memory that we want to delete, and off we go. And that's something that we can't do with the Extra Muse. And then we just hit the record, and now we switch on over off the Extra Muse to the Extra Atto. But what's the matter with this picture right here? Everybody loves blocking corner to corner. Switch on over to the Atto. Well, I don't get it, people. Make your own spot. Sunday wasn't the day to do that. Or was it the weekend? It wasn't to do that. I gotta just double check, make sure I'm on my right settings, and lower my brightness down and see if my EV value is down, because my screen is super bright. All right, I'm all corrected on my camera. Even my shutter speed I'm corrected on. 1/100th over 8,000, so I don't jitter. But I don't have anti-motion blur that really stops the jitterness. I didn't grab the bicycle today. I decided to walk and take it easy. I got my solar project AC just about wrapped up. All I gotta do is just clean up the wiring, figure out how to hang, what to do, rather than just start to cut things out, this and that, put it on the board and hang it on up. And switch on over to the better solar panels on the roof, down by the controller side. Very simple to do. Well, at least I got something to edit, something to do. I've been pretty happy using Cyberlink PowerDirector 365. One thing I didn't like when I was doing, I had to blur out a face and it went off of the face. It couldn't correctly do its job. And I'm not sure because of the distance the person was or the closeness it was. I gotta watch out for Mr. Squirrel. He may attack me because he's going up the tree. So I was like right here standing to the side in the full picture of the muse, and the person was like right over here grabbing the bicycle, as you see in the video that was loaded, e-bike alarm system, and he moved a little. Basically, he came in the camera's view and he picked it up immediately. And I don't want to have personally the person in the video, but respectfully, he was very pleased to help out, and I want to respect privacy by just blurring out the face. Rather, I had to do a elliptical. I had to do a circular type motion blur that I'm able to pick, and mosaic blur, motion tracking, and I got it to track the person fine. And then I was able to play with the mosaic. So I just blurred him out, but at least you see the figure of somebody there trying to take the bike. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You understand what I said? I hope you understood what I said. I watched videos of people feeding those bad boys. Maybe they're the wrong birds, not video, wrong birds. And they're very friendly. They come back into your hand and they eat and they sing to you and they do these little things. Oh man, the lights just went out. My lights went out. What type of grid do you think these lights go out on at 23 after the hour? I don't know. Or do you think there's a photo cell that's built in somewhere that triggers them to go off? I thought the house was for sale. Not really. The house got construction. I noticed they got the lights that I have. Maybe they're doing the reviews I do. Well, I think I gotta go meet up with Joe, take care of some beeswax, and get on going. Do a little car ride, do a little shopping, things like that. Mondays are great. Time to get things up and out. Still gotta get down and dirty. Still gotta do the things I need to do. Well, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you on the next one. The Thompson Twins playing in my mind. Oh man, sometimes those songs are great. Promises are promises. That's what's playing in my mind. I can't sing it, but I can hear it in my mind playing.